Hello from our cabin.
Welcome back to this new cabin.
He's all about this new cabin.
I think that's what we're going to call the episodes. This new cabin. So we got a bunch on the agenda today.
Oh, yeah.
We got to get rid of some of this brush pile and the stumps and all that. My dad's going to work on hauling that out. That'll be nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to build as much as I can of the skirting around the bottom on the other side. Start on the other side and see how far we get. Do some plumbing today, maybe.
We're going to see about getting some power in here to see if the lights and utilities
that's
work.
the big cool thing that'll happen today.
Hopefully.
Is we'll get the generator hooked up and get the cabin on generator power. That would be awesome to have some lights in there.
Yeah.
So hopefully that goes well, but stay tuned and see if we get electrocuted.
Yeah, that could happen. Foreshadowing? I don't know.
Possibly. Maybe.
Also, I will be doing the stairs today. So we did build our stairs last time we were here. And this time we did get the stain from the manufacturer. So they will match the cabin, which is amazing. So I'll be doing the staining today. And hopefully by the end of this weekend, we'll have some beautiful stairs.
Yeah, we got a lot to do. There's some other little things here and there we got to do. But, there's a lot that needs to be done.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Let's do it. All right, we're going to build some skirting for underneath here today. Probably not the whole thing, but at least start it. Because we want to insulate this before the winter to keep the cold out from underneath here. We're going to do some pressure treated like this. We're going to do the whole bottom, and then we're going to do a bunch of up and downs, I think every 2 feet. And then we're going to foam the inside. And then we'll put siding that matches the outside over it and stain it and use that clear coating that'll match the rest of the house. We already got that the other day. So it'll all match and look like it goes together, I hope.
All right, so I'm going to start unwrapping all the lights so that we can get the electric on. But look at them, they're so cute. Beautiful. So this is the light I gotta unwrap in the bedroom, so I guess I'll need a ladder for that. All good, but there's like a tiny little chip on one of the glass. So, I don't know, it's small. I don't know if we'll try to get anything fixed with that or just leave it. It's pretty minor. Lights are uncovered. So the brush pile is officially moving. Let's get rid of this. We need our yard back.
Did a little bit of plumbing today. Just extended the septic tank pipe. So I added this 10-footer and then this 10-footer. Just glued them in. Don't have the hangers set up yet, but getting there. Okay, so these are our stairs and the kick plates. She's sanding them up so we can stain them. It was sunny here. They were drying out. Now it's shady.
Making our stairs pretty.
Okay, how's the staining process going?
Good, but it really sucks up a lot of the stain, and this stain's a pretty penny.
Like she's paying.
Yeah, I probably won't pay for this, but it's still expensive.
Got
We got
two more to go.
But we have this whole side
Underneath
of the house where we got to do. So
yeah, check out that framing. Whew. Check out that frame job. Ready?
Are you?
Generator, kitchen. We don't need a fridge, microwave, bathroom, bedroom. Let's go see if it works.
We're not doing so well.
I got electrocuted. I grabbed the end of the extension cord like an idiot. Okay, so we
Don't have light.
don't have light. So I don't know what's going on yet. My dad's gonna go to the house and grab a meter. I didn't bring one, but the generator was putting 240 out before we left Massachusetts, and now it's definitely putting power because I got zapped, and then the lights like flicker on and off.
A few moments later.
All right, we're going to give it a shot. See if the lights turn on. Let there be light.
Power!
Why'd you scare me?
The door closed. Does it work?
We got light. All right, so we're trying to pull the stove out to figure out why it's not working, because the stove and the microwave are the only things that didn't work when we turned the generator on. So we gotta investigate.
Oh, nice. No power.
Uh-oh.
No, it's good. It never got turned on. So it can't be f***ed up. The stove never got power with the generator. So, and it doesn't have it right now because it has the LP appliances taped off. This is not working because the breaker on the box is not on.
Okay.
The microwave is its own separate breaker. The microwave doesn't come on though.
Is it on right now?
But the microwave has power at the plug, but the microwave does not work. So
Something's wrong with the microwave.
No good.
All right, so that's a wrap for today.
Yeah, we got a lot done. We're going into town to go get some snacks for dinner, but we did pretty good, I think.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow to do some more. So we'll keep you updated. All right, we're back at it.
Sun's out.
Yay!
So we got some work to do today. Quick overview. We're gonna finish the jacks underneath the house. I'm gonna pull some stumps.
Get rid of some of this brush.
Yeah, hopefully haul some of this out and pull some stumps. What are you gonna do?
I am going to finish the stairs up today. I stained them yesterday. Today I gotta top coat them, and hopefully we'll get them back on the house before we leave today.
Yeah, I made some sawhorses up so we can put them in the sun and get them drying. And then we gotta tape the floors up. We got some cardboard to put down on the floors so you don't mess that up walking in and out of there.
Yeah.
And then we got power in the cabin yesterday.
Yeah,
so that was exciting.
We put it on a generator to make sure the lights and everything worked in the house, and they didn't.
Yeah, so we have problems with the microwave. I don't know why that didn't work, but we'll figure that out today. And
our AC mini split heat units, they turn on, but we're not really seeing heat or AC come out of them. Like the fan came on with the AC cool, but I don't think it feels cold.
Yeah. So we got to do some research on that. We got no internet here, so we'll have to Google it when we get back in the mainland.
Yeah, but our lights turned on, so we were able to see in there a little bit, and the stove turned on, and I think we'll probably be okay. We just got to figure out what's going on with the microwave and the mini splits, but otherwise I think we're going to be good.
Yep, let's do it. Got some jacks for underneath the cabin to get them perfect. The outside's already done, you can see, but it says to support some of the middle rooms, like the middle of the deck, the middle of the living room. So I got 4 of those. We're going to set those up perfect today also. We got a lot to do. Okay, so the floors stay nice while we're working in here.
Nice. All right, that's a wrap on our weekend here at the cabin.
Yeah, we got a decent amount done. You can see these beautiful stairs. Nicole stained and clear coated the top. See Minnie.
They match pretty
So
well, huh?
look how good they match. We bought the stain directly from
The manufacturer.
so it was the right, but it was a different kind of wood, so I wasn't sure if it was gonna match, but
They
it
match
definitely
good.
looks like it goes together.
Yeah, we actually plan on changing the stairs at some point, so this isn't permanent, but it still looks good.
Yeah, we'll probably reuse these, but we're gonna like have a little platform maybe, and then the stairs will go over there.
Yeah.
But so Nicole got the stairs done. I finished the jacks underneath the middle. I pulled 3 stumps out. We loaded 2 or 3 loads of brush out of here. We did a decent amount.
Check it out. I don't know if you can see the brush pile where Ellie is getting a lot smaller.
So we did good today.
Yeah.
But you know, it's Sunday. We only can work till noon, so we gotta hit the road anyway.
Yeah, so we're gonna head out. We'll be back in a couple weeks and lots more to see and do then. So stick around. We'll see you soon.
All right, see you next time on this new cabin. Crazy dog. Stop. Do not enter. That means nothing here.
Peace out.
This new cabin